You're watching a tutorial video for search and news. The first thing you want to do is select your keyword. What the search scraper will do is now take this keyword, go to Google search, and download content. You can select your region and language for the search. You can specify whether you want to download content from search or from news. Under selection, by default, it's going to find everything inside the body tag and download that content. If you want to get more specific, you can just get headers and paragraph tags. You can choose to unwrap any tags, as well as remove tags and remove tags that contain certain text. Down the bottom is your article string. So what's saved to your hard drive will be placed in this format. So the first part is the title, and body refers to any content that is scraped from your selection. To see a full list of macros, you can hover over. There are only two. Next up, you have your filtering. First off, you can select how many articles you want to download to your hard drive. The default limit is 10. Next is your word range. So you can specify how many words the article needs to be before it's saved. There is a Regex replace function. Any text that is saved to your hard drive can be replaced. If there are specific URLs that you don't want to download content from, you can also add them to this box here. All the content that is saved with the HTML tags intact. If you just want plain text, you can toggle this to remove your HTML content. You can also wrap all your lines in tags. You can apply a rewriter to the content as well as a translator. Down here, you can set the save location as well as set a schedule for the task. And after the task is run, you can also choose another task to be run straight after. With all these settings now complete, I'm going to click on run. Now that the task has started, you can see it's going to Google and doing a search for cat. As it's processing each URL result, you can see where it's saved that to my hard drive. Sometimes you see it skip where the number of words is less than what I required. Once the task has finished running, hover over to preview article and you can start viewing the results. You can click next to view the next result on the hard drive. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, please jump on our website, seocontentmachine.com, and you can find a contact us page to send us an email.